I rode a train going to Circular Quay thinking it was just going to be a quick morning run. But the moment I stepped out of the station, the view already felt unreal. So I started running and walking around the Sydney Opera House, then explored the whole area nearby hanggang sa kabilang side near the Harbour Bridge. I even passed by the Museum of Contemporary Art and honestly, every corner looked so beautiful and cinematic. What I loved most about this run was that it didn't feel rushed at all. I was just enjoying the moment, the cold morning air, the peaceful vibe, and the view all around me. I honestly couldn't help but stop every few steps just to take everything in because everywhere I looked felt like a postcard in real life. It didn't even feel like exercise anymore, parang sightseeing na habang tumatakbo. And to end the run, I got to witness the sunrise. Grabe, sobrang ganda. And this is one of the most memorable experience I had in Sydney. Ayun lang.